What's up, guys? Welcome to lesson 4.2, simplifying algebraic expressions. Let's do it. So here we have this starting question number 20. Identify terms, like terms, coefficients, and constants. Constants are numbers just by themselves. We don't have any numbers by themselves. They're all paired with variables. We have our terms. We have this is a term, this is a term, this is a term, and this is a term. We have no like terms. Like terms would exist if we had different terms with the same variable, though those don't exist. Finally, our coefficients, those are just the numbers in front of each of these variables that are multiplying the variables. So we got 3 times the m, 3 times that n, 2 times that p, and 4 times that r. All right, now let's move on to 32, and we want to simplify. So here, all we gotta do is just combine the like terms and combine the constants, and we're good to go. So let's go ahead, we're gonna use our distributive property here. We're gonna let this guy leapfrog just like that. So this is gonna become -2. We just multiply the coefficients. -2 times 2, which is -4x, right? And we still got that x there. -2 times, that's a -5, so that becomes a positive 10, all right? 2 times 5 is 10. Negatives cancel out. Minus 4x. So we got a like term here and here. What's -4x and a, remember this is just like a plus negative, same thing. A -4x and -4x, two negatives, we add them just like we'd add two positive 4x's. So this becomes 10 minus 8x, or 10 plus -8x, either way. Let's go on to 34. You used p minutes 1 month on your cell phone. The next month you used 75 fewer minutes. Write this as an expression. So we're talking about the total. So here we've got p, 1 month, and the next month you've used 75 fewer minutes. So it'll be like p plus p minus 75. And then if we want to simplify, we want to combine like terms, we just combine the p and the p. We got two p's, that equals 2p minus 75, and there is our expression. Let's move on to number 44. So 44, we've got this crazy distribution with fractions. So let's go ahead and do that. So we got -3/4, we're gonna leapfrog it to here and to here. So we multiply the coefficients. What's 3 times -3/4? Multiply the numerator, right? We multiply this whole number times the numerator. So we get -9/4 x, and then 3/4 times 2 is -6/4 y, and same thing, this guy's gonna leapfrog here and here, -3/8 x, right? Same thing, we're distributing this, and it's a negative, so again a negative and a negative cancel out to become positive, plus 9/8 y. So look what we have here. Use a different color. We got some like terms here and here because those are both y's, and we got some like terms here and here which are both x's. So let's combine these. First, we got to make these have same denominators. So 4 and 8, we gotta change that 4 to get a matching denominator here. So I'm going to multiply this guy by 2 over 2. Okay, so this becomes -18 over 8x, and let's bring this closer together, -3 over 8x, and then we got a 4 and an 8 again, so I'm going to multiply this guy by 2 over 2, so this becomes -12 over 8y plus 9 over 8y. Now we got like terms in all of these fractions and same denominator, so let's go ahead and combine. -18 minus -3, this becomes -21 over 8x. This guy combines to, we got -12, positive 9. That combines to -3/8 over x. There is our final answer. So long as we don't, if you want to turn that -21/8 into 2 and 5/8, you can. If they're asking for this to be a mixed number, not a improper fraction. Otherwise, this is pretty good. Oh, and sorry, this is supposed to be a y, not an x. That's supposed to be a y. All right, final question. We got 22 times -18 minus 22 times 4. Now, we can make this a lot easier if we again recognize that this is just a distributive property question. We got 22 times -18 minus 24, right? All we're doing is we're pulling, because these guys are, this 22 and this 22 is just pulled out. Because if we were to reapply the distributive property, it's the same thing, right? That would leapfrog there and that would leapfrog there. So we can pull that out. Now this is much easier. We can first carry out this subtraction within the parentheses. What's negative 18 minus 24? That is negative 42 times 22. Now I'm going to try this mentally. You're welcome to write it out. Let me see if I can do it. So this becomes negative 840. Negative 840 plus 84. Negative 840, negative 922 equals negative 922. Not totally sure. Let's just double check here. 22, 42. So again, we got 2 times 2 is 4, 8, 0, 4, 8. And we combine them. We got 4, 12, 1, 9, 924. Ooh, just missed it. All right, so that's a negative 924. Final answer, and done.